Hello, it's Sarah. I could have gone live, but this is fine. I'm really just coming on quickly because I want to share um, Miss Tracy Creates. She is the woman that I joined a club. She has clubs. Remember I shared about the stitching, the beginner stitching kit that I did. I want to share this with you guys. So she has this event called Create and Connect, and it's going to be this weekend coming up, the 28th. Yeah. Oh, today. It starts today through February 1st. Sorry, it's just dry here. So I'm going to put the link in the description box, and you just need to sign up because she does giveaways and stuff like that, and I'm sure it's just a way for her to get your email address so that she can send you things to get you to sign up for a club. But it's really worth it. So for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and maybe Sunday, for 5 days, it says, if your heart's been longing for a little more joy, if your creative spirit has felt quiet lately, or if you just need a reason to sit down and make something with your hands again, then I want you to join me for something truly special. Create and Connect Premiere Week, it's a free 5-day creative experience filled with inspiration, encouragement, and community. All right, let me go, and I'm just going to click sign up. Well, dang it, it's making me put my name. Why did it, when I did this before, anyway. And then it'll take you to what you get. There's a Facebook group that you can join so that all of her lives will be on that Facebook group because she's going to share things from each of her clubs. So she has 4 clubs. I'm just trying to find the actual, see, this isn't what I had in the other room. Oh, she has download your free guide. So it says, you were made to create. And it's like a little booklet just about being creative and how important it is to be, and which I know. It's always been my serenity. Keep reading and take your first steps. I'm so sorry. I thought this would be a little less fudgy. So then there's a video, actually. There's a video that you can press on her webpage that will talk you through it and show you what all you're going to be invited to do. So that's basically it. She has a paper crafting club, a Bible journaling club, hand stitching, and napkin and decoupage tutorials. So those are the 4 types of craftiness she's going to be doing during this Create and Connect weekend. So let me get out of here because it's not, I do better with just talking. So that's it. That's all I wanted to share in this video because I want to come back and talk about what I've been up to. I've been crafting my little head off. I just made this little pin. So I ordered the pins. They're going to come, and I'm just going to stick the pin through here, and then it's a little piece of art that you can pin on you. I've been going crazy with stitching and fabric, felt and fabric. I think I shared this is a tutorial that I might upload for you guys. It's a little bookmark that I made with felt and fabric, and you know what I can do? Oh no, my camera's not up there. But Joe got me a new system going so I can do face-to-face, and then I can do it from above. So yeah, I have a lot to share with you guys. Just wanted to pop in and tell you about Create and Connect this weekend. It starts today. So go ahead and get yourself registered, and so you can enjoy all the crafty, creative stuff that Miss Tracy has to offer. I don't get paid or anything for it. I just belong, and I'm enjoying it. So that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching, and have a grateful day.